In this video, we're going to work on determining whether pairs of lines are parallel. So we have these two lines, line M1 and line M2. I'm not sure if you can tell that. And we have some points that were given to us that we're going to have to identify ourselves. So don't worry, I'll do the identifying. So for line M1, the points are, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 5, and the other point is 7, 10. For line 2, the points are 4, 2, and the other one is 8, 7. Okay. All right, so how do we prove that these lines are parallel? Well, remember, parallel lines have the same slope. So what we need to do is we need to calculate the slope. So we need the slope formula. The slope formula says that it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, I told you that I like to stack my points because then it's really easy to tell which ones are the y's and which ones are the x's. You got to be careful, okay? So the slope for M1 is going to be the difference of the y, so it's going to be 5 minus 10 over 3 minus 7. Okay, so that gives me -5, that gives me -4. So it's a positive 5 over 4. Or if you've used the calculator, it could possibly have given you 1.25. Now we're going to find the slope of the second line. And once again, those are the y values, those are the x values. So it's going to be 2 minus 7 over 4 minus 8. And that's going to give us -5. And this one's going to give us -4, which is negative over negative gives you positive 5 over 4. So M1, the slope of line 1 equals the slope of line 2. So therefore, the lines are parallel. All right, so now we're going to look at this example, and I went ahead and I read the points ahead of time, and we're going to prove whether those lines are parallel or not. Now, I know they don't look parallel, but once again, you have to have the proof. So we know that if they're parallel, they're going to have the same slope. So we need to compare the slopes. Okay, so the slope for line 1 is going to be 6 minus 4 over 2 minus 11. And that gives 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 11 is -9. So the slope of 1 is -2 over 9. Slope of the second line is going to be 4 minus 1 over 1 minus 10. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 10 is -9. So the second slope is going to be, this reduces to -1 over 3. So -1 over 3. So as we can see, the slopes are not identical. So therefore, the lines are not parallel.